Thank you very much, respected Dr. Chauhan, Dr. A.K. Dhengra, Dr. Manoj Kumar, a team of Smasti. Very good afternoon. My name is Dr. Ghulam Hussain. I am from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I am a senior surgeon. I am a retired surgeon. Recently, I had attended ESICON. I had no intention of, first I will tell you, I had no intention of attending this institute while I was in ESICON recently in December. While coming from that place, I was at my home in Delhi. I was just going through the internet and I came to know about this Smasti there only. Then early in the morning, next day I immediately came to this place and had an interaction with Dr. Chauhan, the worthy director of this institute. I told him I am a senior surgeon. I have a very little experience in this laparoscopy. So he told me, you can come here for 2 weeks. We have a course here for online and offline also. And you can attend this fellowship in minimal access surgery. The next morning, then he told me that you can come on the 1st of this month and you can join here. Since then, from 1st of January, I am here attending these theory classes as well as in the theater. Theory classes from Dr. Chauhan, they are very much superb classes. They are giving as if they are spoon feeding the students just like that. And in theater experience, I am very much thankful to Dr. Manoj Kumar and Dr. A.K. Dhengra, and of course the head of the institute, Dr. Nareen Saigal. So kind to us, he would explain everything while operating on the patient. I had a very good experience in the theater. The theater staff is very much superb. I have no words to thank them. They were so encouraging to the students there in the theater. Out of theater also, our team which works at Smasti, Mr. Sushi, this Renu and Mr. Kumar, they are also very much encouraging. They would accompany us to the theater all the time and be with us there and come with us afternoon. After they come, we finish our theater work, they come to us. They are very much accompanying us. I am very much thankful to you. I think if one has the zeal, they say if you want to learn, you can learn from cradle to the grave. There is no limit in learning anything in this world. You can learn at any age. So I decided to join this institute. I am very much thankful to all of the staff which I have met here. They are so much encouraging. Thank you very much.